Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb lada'at, which means to know. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew verb for to know is lada'at. La-da-at. To say I know as a male, say ani יודע. Ani יודע. To say I know as a female, say ani יודעת. אני יודעת. To say I knew as either a male or a female, say אני ידעתי. אני ידעתי. To say I will know as either a male or a female, say אני אדע. אני אדע. To say you know when referring to singular male, say אתה יודע. אתה יודע. To say you knew when referring to singular male, say אתה ידעת. אתה ידעת. To say you will know when referring to a singular male, say אתה תדע. אתה תדע. To say you know when referring to a singular female, say את יודעת. את יודעת. To say you knew when referring to a singular female, say את ידעת. את ידעת. To say you will know when referring to singular female, say את תדעי. את תדעי. To say he knows, say הוא יודע. הוא יודע. To say he knew, say הוא ידע. הוא ידע. To say he will know, say הוא ידע. הוא ידע. To say she knows, say היא יודעת. היא יודעת. To say she knew, say היא ידעה. היא ידעה. To say she will know, say היא תדע. היא תדע. To say we know as males, say אנחנו יודעים. אנחנו יודעים. To say we know as females, say אנחנו יודעות. אנחנו יודעות. To say we knew as either males or females, say אנחנו ידענו. אנחנו ידענו. To say we will know as either males or females, say אנחנו נדע. אנחנו נדע. To say you know when referring to plural males, say אתם יודעים. אתם יודעים. To say you knew when referring to plural males, say אתם ידעתם. אתם ידעתם. To say you will know when referring to plural males, say אתם תדעו. אתם תדעו. To say you know when referring to plural females, say אתן יודעות. אתן יודעות. To say you knew, when referring to plural females, say אתן ידעתן. אתן ידעתן. To say you will know, when referring to plural females, say אתן תדעו. אתן תדעו. There is another form which is אתן תדענה, but we don't really use it nowadays. To say they know, when referring to males, say הם יודעים. הם יודעים. To say they knew, when referring to males, say הם ידעו. הם ידעו. To say they will know, when referring to males, say הם ידעו. הם ידעו. To say they know, when referring to females, say הן יודעות. הן יודעות. To say they knew, when referring to females, say הן ידעו. הן ידעו. To say they will know, when referring to females, say הן ידעו. הן ידעו. Here as well there is another form which is הן תדענה, but we don't really use it nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the forms of the verb. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.